Hi, I'm Kevin John. I've been working as a chatbot engineer in AutomationEdge for 2 years. I like to swim and play video games, and I like working at AutomationEdge. Okay, so as a chatbot engineer, my role includes to develop the core chatbot product at AutomationEdge, which Automation uses for creating chatbot solutions for its customers. The field of chatbot engineering has grown a lot in the past 2 years since I've joined the company, and I've luckily got to work on a lot of different technologies while working as a chatbot engineer. So I have a keen interest in artificial intelligence and natural language processing, which I've had since college, and I'm fascinated by the idea of intelligent systems that can converse with and understand humans. I did my summer internship at AutomationEdge when I was in college, and I enjoyed the work culture over here, and working at AutomationEdge, I found a lot of other like-minded people that I could work with, and I enjoyed working here. So that's one of the reasons which I chose AutomationEdge. Also, at AutomationEdge, I've got many learning opportunities to grow in my field, which I feel is a plus point while working here. Well, there are many things to keep in mind when designing an efficient and accurate chatbot. I won't go over all of them, but at a high level, most of the main points include defining a clear goal and clear use cases, training intent recognition system using an NLP, having a strong knowledge base that the chatbot can rely on to answer the questions, and also designing a robust error handling and feedback system which chatbot can learn from and improve over time. One of the most challenging situations I've handled at AutomationEdge till now is developing a WhatsApp channel for our chatbot. So I had to research, test and develop this WhatsApp channel, which I did basically in the periods of time where I had less work on my own. And after a lot of trial and error and exploring, I finally got it to work, and I'm glad to say that we have integrated our chatbot with the WhatsApp channel. So it has made life easier for customers because they have an easier channel where they can access the chatbot. One advice for people who are beginning out in my field is, I would say, is that you have to be open to learn, because the field of chatbot engineering keeps growing as time goes on, and a lot of new technologies have come in which are changing the game. So as a person who's working in chatbot engineering, it is expected of you to learn a lot of new technologies while you are working on the job. Well, I'm a little competitive person, so I like to bring that out in sports and video games. So I used to play football before, and now I mostly stick to video games because that's what I get time for. Other than that, I like to swim as a means of exercise, and I just enjoy swimming in general. Our company's strong leadership, its commitment to employee growth, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction is what I believe makes AutomationEdge a remarkable organization. I am glad to be part of this organization, and I believe in the continued success of this company.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Resourceful, intelligent, and efficient.
Your success mantra.
I would follow Abraham Lincoln's proverb: if I had 6 hours to chop a tree, I would spend the first 4 sharpening the axe.
So what would you choose, swimming or video games?
If I had to choose between all of them, I would choose swimming because it is good for health.
Optimistic or pessimistic?
People would say I'm pessimistic because I like to think of the worst case scenario so that I can account for that.
Can people count on you?
Oh yes, for sure.
Why?
Because I feel like first of all I'm a people pleaser, and I feel like I don't like to disappoint people. So
Work from office or work from home?
I have hybrid of both. I feel like both have different advantages, and we can use a combination of both to get the best out of cup.
Your proudest work achievement till date?
Working on chatbot for AutomationEdge, I guess.
Who is your favorite co-worker?
All of them. All of them.
No, take one.
I have to take one name. Ankita.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for giving this.
Thank you guys for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express myself through this interview.